बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज की वीडियो में हम आपको बताएंगे इंडक्शन वेल्डिंग क्या है, इसका प्रिंसिपल क्या है, इसका तरीक़ेकार क्या है और ये इंडक्शन वेल्डिंग कहाँ की जाती है और उसके क्या बेनिफिट्स हैं। तो चलते हैं इंडक्शन वेल्डिंग की तरफ।
Induction welding is a form of welding that uses electromagnetic induction to heat the workpiece. The welding apparatus contains an induction coil that is energized with a radio frequency electric current. The magnetic field's direction is dependent on the direction of current flow. Welding large or irregularly shaped parts that have been injection molded, blow molded, extruded, rotational molded, or thermoformed or for thermoplastics that are difficult to weld. The main welding parameters in induction welding are power, weld time, weld pressure, and cooling time. Typical induction powers are in the range of 1 to 5 kilobar. Higher power output is necessary for larger parts or parts with greater joint length. Induction is faster, safer, cleaner, and more efficient than either gas or electric.
Please subscribe, like and share my channel, Daily Report and Technical.